This is the Bosch GLL2-20 self-leveling 360-degree line and cross laser. It features a 360-degree horizontal line and a 120-degree vertical line for a wide array of leveling, alignment, and layout applications. Highly visible laser lines are projected in cross-line, vertical, and 360-degree horizontal modes. That means you get a level reference all around the room, which is ideal for any job where you would otherwise struggle to mark a level around the room with a bubble level. Imagine putting up new cabinets in a kitchen or installing outlets all around a room, all along a self-leveled, highly visible reference. With manual mode, you can even lock the lines for use at any angle, say to work on a staircase. The GLL2-20 Smart Pendulum System automatically locks when the unit is switched off, so its accuracy is preserved over time. The GLL2-20 is versatile to use thanks to the BM3 positioning device, which allows the user to position the tool on any flat surface, attach it to metal surfaces, or clamp it in place for ceiling grid applications. The Bosch GLL2-20 self-leveling 360-degree line and cross laser is a compact and high-performance leveling and alignment solution for professionals. It delivers a full 360-degree coverage and will save you a ton of time on the job. So this is it, the Bosch GLL2-20 self-leveling 360-degree line and cross laser. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch leveling tools.